But yeah, glad to hear that you'd made the transition also, Sistema. But yeah, really, I think it's an important story to tell. So I'm gonna do a whole long form video on that. I think it'll be fun. Tunga Mac just says, me too. Sorry, dude, I don't know what you're talking about. Am I missing parts of your chat? Give me some more clarification there, my friend. Nazish says, yes, I was. Okay, so you were there for the whole class, if I remember right. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you had a good time. Give me some feedback if there's any feedback, that you want to share. But love the fact that you joined and you're still joining us again on Monday. Yeah, Joseph says, yep, they're from Tennessee, in East Tennessee, like Patrick. Okay, cool. That's a really popular place to move to recently, I think, right? A lot of people are moving to Tennessee. Patrick and Joseph, maybe you can connect on Discord. See, I love that. I love that, guys. I love the community connecting with each other, helping each other out. I love it. Love it. Wow, Najee says it was 12:30 a.m. by the time I went to sleep. I woke up feeling happy about having learned through an interesting interaction. Wow, Najee is great. Wonderful. Thank you so much for that feedback. Thank you so much for staying with us late. Okay, so that means that it started for you at like 10 p.m., right? Because we went for like 2.5 hours, so that would be 12:30. So wow, that stream started for you at 10 p.m. and you still joined in. Wow, I'm honored. Thanks so much for spending the time with us. Okay, Tunga Max says, sorry, meant to say Red Mastery. Okay, cool.